Okay guys, I'm in Walmart looking at their Valentine's Day stuff. These are really pretty. It is $13.47. I'm looking for turtle. Now turtles is all, oh, here's a turtle. I was just in Walgreens and theirs was like $13.99. So here it's $12.36. 5-ounce, still smaller than usual. Because they used to have these really big for $9.99. Let me see, here's another turtles. See this one there? It's $16.87. We're low carb in it, so that's just a little taste. Just get a little snack attack. Yeah, so I'll get that. $6.72. $6.72 for these. 6.9 ounces. Because you know the turtles go fast, so you catch you some turtles, honey, around Valentine's Day. You gotta stock up. And the way chocolate prices are going up, the tariffs and all that. Because you know, these used to be $5. And I just got some turtles yesterday. No, earlier today I got some turtles from Walgreens as well. And I know Valentine's Day is a very commercialized holiday, and these stores don't deserve our money, but this is something hubby and I has always done since we've been married. We down for it. If it's about bringing people together, showing love and appreciation, I'm with it. These are $5.97, like the Russell Stovers, and get some Nestle Crunches. Now you know it's a shame when these are $3.96. These things used to be $1. Let me see, are these still $1? $1.48. It was so cute when we were little. My dad, of course my mom always got the big box of chocolate and the flowers and everything, but he would always make sure he gave us girls a little bitty things like this. He was always so cute about that. And one year mom got all the big chocolates and the flowers, and then he had a package on the floor, and we were just sitting there for hours. And finally I got nervous. I said, what is in there? And he opened it up and he had 2 parakeets and a cage, 2 lovebirds. And so I fell in love with birds as a young girl, because those birds lasted for years. He had the whole kit, beautiful. I was like, he was so cute about that. So that's why I like Valentine's Day. Then in school, everybody was so nice to each other on Valentine's Day. We got to swap little cards and snacks. All right. me see what's going on in the garden section.
Okay, fam, I just made it back. I'm always just making it back. I try to get out at least once a week, but I got stir crazy because I was in, like, you know, when we had our snowstorm and ice storm, and then New Year's, it's like the week before the Super Bowl and all that, I was stuck in. So I got out today, got a few things. I showed you a little sneak peek of what's going on, and I went to Walgreens today. I didn't take you guys in there, but I went to Walmart and show you what's going on in there. And so if you're going to do a little Valentine's Day stuff, here are some things that I thought were worth it. I have a 6-count chocolate dipped strawberries. These were cute. They picked the big fat ones, and these were $6.82. $6.82, and let's see. Let's see what they look like. So they look good. I don't know how long they'll last. I'm gonna put them in the fridge. It's a few days before. Valentine's Day. I'm tired. I went shopping. I didn't eat anything, and I was in there. I was looking through everything, so I wanted to do that. They have some beautiful flower arrangements, and so just for the house, I got them for us. When hubby and I first got married, he would always send me these expensive, beautiful, like roses and arrangements. He would send them to the job, and then one year he sent me some, and they were like over $200. And we had gotten into our new home. We were newly married, got into our new home and everything, and I'm buying groceries and everything. And I said, these are lovely, but don't buy me any flowers like that anymore, you know, at that price. So I'll bring flowers because I can get them cheap. You know, he won't. Me, you know, I'm the bargain shopper. I get things tastefully for less, but he'll just go on and pay, you know, whatever. But look, you get a dozen beautiful roses like this for $10.73. Yeah, they're from Colombia. These are actually, they come with their plant food. And I could usually keep my roses for 3 to 4 weeks. You take care of them. And I have a vase out on what you do, you know, to make sure, like, to keep them good before the holiday, before Valentine's Day. You go in and get them. You can use this plant food, put them in a clean vase, and you can put them in your garage. If it's cool out in your garage, like no windows, or it could just, you know, because once they're cut like this, they will thrive out in your cold garage, or, you know, if you have a greenhouse where it's cool at. They don't need sunlight. Okay, so just do that. Keep them in here, and they'll be just fine. You can give them to your favorite person. Okay, we both like Twizzlers. Like you said, we both, you know, can't eat a whole bunch of sugar, but, you know, I keep stuff on hand. You know, we have guests over, and then a beautiful box of turtles. That's my favorite. You know, when you've been married 34 years and stuff, you know, we do things, you know, we just do it. I don't care who does it. If I see something and it's gonna bring us both joy, I'll do it. And then he'll do things. Oh, he does stuff all the time. So I got this candy, then a gift card. So that's an idea. Okay, these were like $12.37, $12, and then $10. You can just do this, and that'd be so cute. You know, if you're a guy giving something to your girlfriend, And like I said in my video in store, I know these retailers really don't deserve our money, but my husband and I, we've been married for over 34 years, and these are things that, you know, we have just always done. We do it, and, you know, any opportunity to just show a little appreciation, you know, brighten the day up. We've worked hard, so, you know, and when you've been 34 years, we don't care who do it. And me, I'm in a better position because I'm out and about. I'm always shopping, and I'm, you know, the bargain shopper, and so I'm more free. So now it's my turn. I get out there and just, you know, just do fun stuff. That's what makes, you know, relationships. That's what makes relationships. It's just being thoughtful. Just being thoughtful. You know, not always being, and that's one thing I can't stand is someone that's inconsiderate all the time. We're going to be inconsiderate sometimes, but this all the time. So just to stay married, or to stay in a healthy relationship, just show some consideration. You don't need Valentine's Day to do it. It's just they make it easy because they got cute stuff out there. So I'm going to put these in the refrigerator, these in some water, and then I'll come back and show you what I got for the garden. Okay guys, before I show you what I got for the garden, this is what I'm going to do with these flowers. What's today? Today is Wednesday, and Valentine's Day is Saturday, so I got a few days. So what I'm just going to put them in a clean vase. Now I already have plant food for my house plants. I'm just going to put them for right now. And then the second, like every 2 days, every 2 or 3 days, you give them fresh water and put the plant food. But this is just how I'm going to do them right now. You know, like overnight. Yes, just to keep them good for the next couple of days. Then just keep doing that. Let's see, it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, Friday. Get rid of this water, do it again, and then arrange them. I might arrange them on Friday or Saturday. Okay. And now, some bread. Got little things of bread, 97 cents. When you go to the back of the store, that's where they have that. The bread that's a little cheaper. Then I got some sliced bread for 81 cents. Okay, now from the garden, I got this easy carry. You can wrap your hose, because our hose just goes crazy. I've had every type of little hose container, so I'm going to try this. You see how that works? Easy carry, wrap it, 28-inch. So I'm going to do that. I think this was like $7.97. These flowers are so beautiful. Oh my God. I'm always dealing with plants. I needed a hand scoop. These are 97 cents. Plastic. I need bigger scoops than what I've been getting. Scoops. Needed a good rake. These are from the Expert Gardener, 97 cents. Got a bunch of seeds I got from Burpee. Their seeds are going fast in my store. Okay, and before I go through the seeds, here is a rake, just a little small rake, good for you, just getting like the little mulch and stuff like that. Something I can easily handle. These were $9.99. And I was saying how I needed an extension wand, a telescoping wand with 10 spray patterns. I got that. I think this was, here it is. I guess it extends out. I think this was like $14. I've been wanting ones for years. You hear me? I had one at one time. Don't know what happened to it. Because I like to really take care of my stuff and keep it together. So I don't know. So that's pretty much all I need for this season. Burpees of seeds are $1.96. So I got giant Caesar. Let me come around here. Show you guys what we got. I got giant Caesar, salad, lettuce. I got 2 of everything. Little Jim, lettuce. I got loose leaf blend. Got some bunching onions. Sweet peppers, big red. I got these peppers carnival blend. Of course, you know my collards, heirloom vegetable Georgia collards. Aren't these beautiful? Hope mine turn out this deep of a color. Love my brassica. Got some pak choi. And I got some baby choy cabbage. So I like my leafy vegetables. So I'm not worrying about them like forming a head like you do like regular cabbage. Got some broccoli. I always avoid buying broccoli, but I like the broccoli leaves. I don't care too much about that. If I get these heads, that's fine. Brussels sprouts. I know they're hard to grow. I'm gonna have to baby them. 'Cause I love my little pumpkins. And in the heat of the summer, so I can have me something out there. In the heat of the summer, I have some okra. So I'll have some okra and some peppers and I already have tomatoes. All right, so that's everything today. It's a beautiful day. It rained on me. It got windy. It was cloudy. The sun's out. So we've had every season today. All right, guys. So thanks so much. Just want to share with you what's going on out there. I know a lot of people, get delivery, grocery deliveries, and you don't always see what's going on in there. So when I get out and about, I'll show you what's going on out there. Because we can still live tastefully for less. Just because we're retired on a fixed income, and when holidays come, you can still do little things, just little fun things. Hubby, he'll be the one to get a nice dinner for us. I don't want to even though we've been married for 34 years, you don't want to, take people for granted. I just do it. What's in my heart to do, I just do. What's in my budget, I do. If he wants to, because we got food in here. We gonna eat good. But if he decides he wants something better than what we got, then we'll do that. All right, guys. Thanks so much. Appreciate your support. Hope you guys have a happy happy Valentine's Day. I don't think I'll be doing a tablescape because I'm cleaning up and I'm putting stuff away. So, but you'll be seeing, organization. You'll be seeing, in the next few weeks, gardening stuff, All right, guys. Thanks so much. See you in my next video. Bye. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. Hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye, Mom.